Okay, so this is the Dow. The Dow really took a beating on this Iranian news. So let's go and look at a few things here. Let's first of all, we're just going to plot. I always do this because in my videos I start with a kind of a semi-fresh chart because guys want to know how to plot support and resistance. Yeah. So these are a kind of a good indication. I'll just choose the bottoms of things and the tops. There's a little bit of that close there. Okay. On my chart, it's a good one, 28,332, and then we've got a little bit more support here, 28,201, and then we've got a little bit of support here, somewhere around maybe here. Yeah, that's a good kind of zone, 28,003. So these are kind of the areas I'm looking at today, where I actually think that the Dow might come, depending what happens. This could be potentially an almighty shakeout because we've seen, anytime it's moved down, we've seen buyers coming in, right? So we always have to be wary of that. We are still trending up on the daily and the weekly, okay? Although we are testing the daily Bollinger Band right now, right? Now, there is potential for this, if this actually plays out, because, in November, there wasn't a lot of volume in there. We might actually see a retest of this 27,387 level. We might come down, bang onto here, and then Iranian stuff all settles down, and then we move back up again. Good buying opportunity, right? Good buying opportunity. Because if we look at something in so let's actually go and look at the charts here. So here, quite interesting, high bar, narrow range, high volume bar. So we kind of see a bit of selling coming in here. Here we've got no demand. Here we've got no demand, again up thrust. Here we saw the result of that. Here we saw a gap up on some Chinese news overnight in Asia. And then, hey presto, all this Iranian stuff started. Here we see definitely some buying action above this price level. So what I'd like to see today is for me, I would like to get below this support level here where we see this demand supply here and this supply here and this support here. So 28,377 today is a key level on my charts, okay? So 28,377. So you see here we tested it again, yeah, so we got a little bit of buy interest. But if we get below this in the London session, we can say we're going to come back down and retest 28.1, this area here, these lows, 28,120. So my plan for today is sell below 28,377 as long as the trends remain intact to the downside. Open range breakdown. We have trends trending down on the 15, 30 and the 1 hour. At the moment the trend is not down on the 15, we're just above the Bollinger Band here. So right now hopefully this will curl up a little bit by the time that London comes, and basically we can then sell below the middle Bollinger Band point. We can sell below the 28,377 level, and even if we take the trade down into the 28,150 level, we've got a nice little 300 point trade there. It's quite a nice little trade for so I'm actually going to go ahead and place this now. So I'm just going to go trading like here. Let me go a bit, maybe a little heavier on this one. This is on a small account. This is on an account that I'm building from $2,000. We're already up at 6,000, and I didn't catch all this move in 4 days. So I'm going to go trading, sell stop here. I'm going to place that right there right now, and I'm going to hope this comes down. Place it just below this actually. Yeah, there's a little bit of resistance there, but I think if we break down here at the moment, just below these levels, it will go there. So you double click on here. I'm going to place my stop on these blue bars here. This is the chandelier stop, 28,504. Okay, so I'm going to go modify. That's a big stop actually. It's a bit of risk there, but that's okay. And I'm going to put my profit at 28,150. All right. So if this trade works out, we got a nice little 200 point trade for 150 point risk. It's not a good trade, so I'm gonna actually put my take profit to 28,050 and see what happens. Okay, let's see how that looks on the daily. Yeah, so that's just below this level. I might not get down there, but I'll follow this down. So if we get below this level here, if this kind of plays out in London and we do actually come down into these areas, the risk is they come and grab me. So, but I'll be around. I'll be around. Yeah. So we're already seeing this up move here, and we're seeing some down bars here. I think that in London, I might just take this trade off and just put it in London and just not have the risk in Asia right now. But I just want to show you where I'm going to place my trade. Yeah. Okay. So let me leave that there for now, because I've got the same one on Dow here below there. So I'm expecting these markets to move down at open.